the business benefit of the facility. This facility will also extend itself to the community. And I'm going to introduce you next to Lindsay Lindstrom, who runs our developer organization locally.
Hi, my name is Lindsay Lindstrom. I'm an academic developer bachelor's. Thank you, Karen. And my job is to educate, excite, and empower students in technology, Microsoft technology. The way we do that is with the Magic Cup, which is the world premier student technology competition. And we have two great teams here representing 60 teams from Pennsylvania. We had 5 last year, which was a great improvement, who are from 5 to 60 one year, who are heavily invested in representing their schools as well as Pennsylvania at the worldwide level of the Magic Cup. So they're in the midst of developing their application, addressing the theme of imagine a world where technology helps solve the biggest problem. It's really important to us here at Microsoft. So I'll let them take it from here. This is the first team, Mobile Lions from Penn State Abington.
I figured it was covered.
They planned it, I didn't tell them anything. But they would like to show you a little bit about their application. So Derek, take it away.
Thank you, Lindsay. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to show you an app. We have something very innovative to show you, and look forward to telling you about it. The problem that we're trying to solve is for people who have food limitations based on things like allergies, diseases, even lifestyles that they live. It shouldn't be hard for them to do something as simple as going grocery shopping and getting items. They sit there and they read over the tiny ingredients, but who can really read that, right? So what our app will do, our solution to that problem is ShopSafe. ShopSafe does, it helps that user. They go on and they can create a simple list. What the user does is they basically create a list of stuff that they can't have right in here. This is the person, the test list that we have. But to create a new one, they give the list a name, and then they go through here and they choose any allergies or diseases or lifestyles that they have, and it creates a master list of items. Or if nothing is listed there, you want to help them out too, they can go on here and put in basically anything that they want. I'll show you how the scanning works. So basically what they would do is when they go grocery shopping, they would have an item, they would put the phone up and using the scanner, they would scan the barcode. This is what it would look like if the barcode was unreadable, because it can automatically detect it. The search button is disabled. When the barcode can be read, the search button becomes enabled, shows green, tells the user that, hey, it's okay to search for this now. After they search UPC, it does a cross-check of the stuff that's on their list and the ingredients in that item, and kind of alerts them to say, hey, this contains eggs, milk, and wheat. You shouldn't have this. It also has a detail screen that goes over more details, such as the item name, size, and also any allergen warnings that they have, as well as a full ingredient list so that they can see what exactly hit from their list. And then, but of course, people shouldn't heavily rely on technology to do something serious as this. So we try to help those people, so hopefully they can avoid, going to the hospital or maybe even dying from allergies. So we're trying to help those types of people.
Great job, guys. Thanks so much. Notice that another team that has done so is right behind them from Drexel University, Drexel Dragons. They've also used Windows Phone 7, and I'll let Zach take it away.
Sure. So besides the big Microsoft coding guru I am, I've actually been to Sub-Saharan
We're
Africa.
gonna get in trouble. He's already it's working.
So I've actually been to Sub-Saharan Africa twice in the last year, volunteering with the health-based NGO. And one of the big things there, maybe you know because of course the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation is big on this, is the Paul Farmer's Partner in Health Community Health Workers thing. It's working great, saving a lot of lives. And I shadowed them. But one of the huge problems is that it's impossible to track them. Nobody actually knows if they're going to the houses and what these villagers are thinking. Community health workers basically replace doctors because they're locally trained workers that go to chronically ill people from door to door. And so it works great, and we made an app using the new Nokia-Microsoft partnership because Nokia's all over Africa, and we're hoping that this can really save lives, and we're actually going to put this to use in a real-life scenario using 8 community health workers, assuming that we procure the phones. And it's very simple and to the point because these people are half literate, but again, this is one way that technology can literally save lives. So just give you a quick demo.
Right. So as Zach was saying, the application is as simple as possible so that these people who aren't familiar with computers can use it effectively and quickly. When they when they see a patient either on the street or in their home, they start a survey. Because obviously no person lives here, it gives us options of who is in the database. Once they select a person, the pre-programmed list of questions. The clinic is able to program the device with the questions they want answered. So like if a new disease is spreading, they can add that and get information about that. There's multiple different types of questions, all programmable through the clinic, which is using a Windows desktop application. Once the community health worker is done collecting all the information, answering the survey, which as you can see is very simple, very easy to use, takes them back so that they could start another.
Wonderful. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And we look forward to getting your support for the rest of the Magic Cup
Good to see you.
competition.
Good to see you. Hopefully I'll see you in
Oh,
New York.
New York. That's
We
right.
had all the finalists will show up in New York.
We'll try to be there for you.
And you on our back
And the Penn State, both of you guys are overseas in New York.
And to get you on the back wagon, we have a T-shirt to give you, Governor Corbett, so you can wear it and represent Pennsylvania for the Magic Cup competition.
Well, thank you
Okay?
very much.
Thank you very much for
You want-
spending time.
Here,
with
they
us.
want to take a picture. Get in here. Okay? See?
Thank you.
John has one
We have
final
one last
innovation.
innovation.
Okay.
Governor.